from BCA. So Wayne, tell us why you're here at the show.
Okay, so we're exhibiting, we're supporting our manufacturers out here in the halls, and then likewise we're also trying to promote our new kit in a box. It's an electrical item that allows people to be able to fit their electrical system to a panel van if that's what they're converting, and ensuring that they're safe out there.
Electricity can be a dangerous thing, so what is it about your product that makes it safe?
Okay, so we've designed this particular item so that you have your safety features with your RCD and your MCBs inbuilt into the power distribution
RCD,
unit.
MCBs?
Yeah, they're the residual circuit breaker, just to basically protect the appliance and to protect the user.
Like an old-fashioned fuse?
Yes, more elaborate, but yes, in essence. So yes, we have this item, and basically it ensures that when you've got electricity in your vehicle, both the appliance and the end user are safe.
So what is it about this product that makes it unique for the user?
What we've tried to do is ensure that anybody can fit it, that's reasonably competent, install the unit into the vehicle, and each connector then will mate up to the appropriate harness connector on the PDU.
PDU?
Power distribution unit.
Thanks for helping me out on that one. So you've got this, it's in a box.
Yes.
You were talking before we started the interview about DIY Dan. This is DIY Dan proof, isn't it?
Yes, it is. Yeah, what we've tried to do is make sure that anybody can fit it. With it being plug and play, the connectors are colour coded. So what we've got here is a unit that's suitable for anybody to try.
Who's your perfect customer, the person coming along that this is going to benefit the most?
Somebody that's unsure, somebody that's been and purchased a panel van, aspires to something that's out here in the halls today, but financially can't reach there. Somebody that wants the DIY. So this kit in a box is perfect.
I've asked the stupid questions. Let's have some intelligent ones from Matt, shall we?
Okay.
So tell us, Wayne, this manages the 12 volt and the 240 volt
Yes.
side of the circuit, is that right?
Yes, it does. The idea is that some people will fit separates within the vehicle, but those with a limited amount of space just want this compact unit, and this covers all bases.
And how long does it take to fit, do you think?
Somebody who's competent, I would say, would be able to install this throughout the vehicle in roughly 2 hours.
That's pretty impressive.
Yeah.
But even a DIYer?
Yeah, I would say once they've found the location that they want to put this item into, lay the cables out within the vehicle and they know where the appliances are going to be, plug and play, yeah, it should be 2 hours.
This is going to save lives, surely, isn't it?
Yes, unfortunately, there are people out there that have fitted items that aren't safe, and this really does cover all those bases.
Fantastic. And what does it cost?
You're going to find this at a retailer. Probably there are different levels, but you're probably looking at about $350.
£350. There are 3 models, aren't there? So tell
yes,
us
they
about
are.
3 models.
Okay, so you have the base unit, which is just the power distribution unit. Then you have a model then that has the majority of the wiring included, and then the top one really has a water probe included if you've got an underfloor water tank that you want to measure the levels in.
For the wastewater or the freshwater?
For the freshwater normally,
right, okay, yeah, brilliant. And where can people buy one?
We have a wholesale company that allows you to go and find your local dealer out there in the dealer network. So most of the retailers, if they've an account with Pennine Leisure Supplies, they'll be able to get one online.
Including our own shop, Keith, thatleisureshop.com.
Wayne, thank you very much for joining us today, and good luck with the product.
Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Have a good show, buddy.
Thank you.
Great to see you.
Cheers.